Hey guys, this is Ryan. I'm going to be showing you guys today how to draw the red angry bird. Okay, this is one of my first drawings, so if it's kind of crappy, please don't judge me. Okay, here we go. We'll start off with the bird's body. Bird's body is just kind of a oval. Just about that. Oh, whoops, sorry. Okay. That's a bird's body. I'll give you guys a few seconds to, am I gonna draw that? Alright, now we have to go with the bird's crest. So the bird's crest, we're gonna go up to about there and go down just like that. Now for the birds, to finish off the bird's crest, you're gonna extend his body to about there. And then for this crest, it'll come up. And then it'll form kind of a heart shape. I don't know if you can see that, but it forms a heart. Kind of, right about there. Okay, now we have to draw the bird's beak. Make the beak kind of towards the middle so he has space, because he's going to be, facing that way. So we want to have some space. Always keep a handy dandy good pink eraser. These things work great. For the beak, you want to start off with a kind of almost diagonal line, kind of rounded. Then you want to, oh, whoops, that's way too high up. Sorry. Again, please don't judge me. This is my very first Angry Bird drawing. So you want to make it a little bit lower than where I did. And you want to extend this beak, make it a little bit longer. I guess I could just go a little. Connect it there. Now, to finish off his beak, you're going to go just like that. Now for his eyes, actually I can keep that one there. You want for his eyes, or for his eyebrows, I guess I could call it. So his eyebrows pretty much go like that. And you're going to circle off his eye. Just like that. So that's that. And then I'm going to make pupils. Oh, that's bad pupil. Now when you make a little mistake like that, it's always good to keep a pencil with a little eraser on the back. Like this one. I don't know if you can see that well. Right there. Just in case you make a little mistake. Just like that. And then that's the first bird. It's not the best Angry Bird. It's not the worst. But, so that's the first one. Now, I'm going to try to draw the bluebird. Now the bluebird I'm going to make much smaller. Still going to have the same kind of body. Oh, I messed up. Okay, let me start over on the body. The body wants to start off, think about that. And then you're gonna, okay, I really don't know how to draw the bluebird, so, oops, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll have to go back and play Angry Birds. So the red bird. You can color it red however you want to. Me, I have this marker here. It's a really expensive marker. And I'm going to outline him in red. So that's my outline. And I'm not going to color it in marker, so give me about a minute or two. I'll be back. I'll have to go get my crayons. Okay, well, of course, I can't find them, so if you like this video, comment, subscribe, rate, do whatever. Punch that like button for me. And if you want more videos, just give me video suggestions, you know. I don't know what you guys like. I don't know what to draw, if you want me to draw something. You know, this is my first bird from Angry Bird, so please don't give a bad comment saying that, oh, your bird sucks, oh, this, and that. You know, because it's my first bird, so if you like it, please tell me. If you don't like it, tell me. But just don't write anything bad saying that I suck, you know, because when people say that I suck, you know, I feel like there's no point of me drawing these. So, that's about it for this guys. Have fun. Oh, and don't feel scared to pause the video. I'm sorry I'm so far high up. My camera is just, I had nowhere else to sit, so I had to sit it right there. So, have fun.